Okay, so we got an Ashton AB-900 coming in for pro setup. This base isn't so straightforward. What happened was there was actually 2 truss rod in there to actually support the whole neck, but the whole neck is a bit thin in my opinion, so it becomes a bit weak when I try to actually move the neck itself to a back bow. Apart from that, when I did that and tune it to standard pitch, the neck becomes very stiff, and the wood at the back, it's like a skunk stripe wood. It actually dislodge a bit, which gives me an idea that the neck is actually very weak, and the glue is actually starting to break down. So what I did was I clean up and I reglue and reclamp it down, leave it for a few days to actually settle in before I do any other adjustment. After that, it just plays fine. The tuning that I used was the standard tuning. This is my advice because the neck was pretty weak, so I do not want to put any additional stress on the neck itself. Apart from that, for the electronics, the existing electronics had some issues. The bridge pickup wasn't working on it. I tried cleaning it up. Some wires was dislodged here and there, so I wasn't sure exactly which wires go where, mainly because some of the wires, when it's soldered on, it wasn't a clean solder, so it actually came dislodged. So I had a extra preamp on hand, the wiring harness, so I soldered it on, and just to check and see if the pickups is the issue or the wiring harness. So it turns out that the pickups are fine. Then I advise the customer to actually change out the whole wiring harness using whatever I have. And it turns out to be okay. So that's pretty much it for this guitar, but I'm quite pleasantly surprised that the guitar actually is quite nice to play. So stay tuned to the end of the video. I hope you like it. Take care, bye. Okay, so if you need my services, you can WhatsApp me on 841-89951. I hope to see you soon. Bye.